equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the charging port on your Lenovo IdeaPad. This is a crucial repair that can restore your device's functionality. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a clean workspace. Make sure you have a static-free environment to avoid damaging your device. Begin by powering off your Lenovo IdeaPad and unplugging it from any power source. This is essential for your safety and to prevent any electrical damage during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the charging port, which is usually situated near the battery. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the area around the charging port with a soft brush or compressed air. This will help prevent any debris from interfering with the new port installation. Now, carefully disconnect the old charging port. You may need to use tweezers to gently pull it out. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Once the old port is removed, take your new charging port and align it with the connectors. Press it firmly into place until you hear a click. This indicates that it is securely connected. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your device repaired without any hassle. After the new charging port is installed, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the device, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping. Before you power on your laptop, it's wise to double-check that everything is in place. Ensure there are no loose screws or components. Once you're satisfied, plug in your laptop and power it on. Test the new charging port by connecting your charger and checking if it charges properly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your device serviced right from your home. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the charging port on your Lenovo IdeaPad. With a little patience and the right tools, you can tackle this repair yourself. Happy repairing! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.